Okay. Yeah, I'll talk to him. Actually, he just walked in the door right now, so. Okay, I'll call you back. Hey, Martin.
Hey, Eric.
Have a seat. So, you know how many times you've been late to work, right? And how many times you just haven't shown up at all. So, I'm sorry, but you can't be here anymore.
What?
Company policy says that I have to let you go.
Wait. You cannot fire me. Okay, Eric, please don't do that. Please. Hey, I really need this job. I have a little brother I need to take care of. Hey, don't you want to hear why I'm late?
Another shitty excuse, Marty. You've told me them all. I'm sorry, I can't do anything for you anymore.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Straighten your arms.
Arms. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay.
Good boy. Go. Whoa, pick up the phone. Draw.
Just wait a minute, okay? Hello?
Hi, Serena. It's Louise from the financial department at the hospital. Your mom is doing well, she's fine, but I gotta bring up that it's past the due date for the operation fee. And unfortunately your insurance does not cover the whole fee.
Oh, well, but it covered the therapeutic fee earlier. Just give me 2 days.
Yeah, I know it covered it. I'm
Thank
just
you, Liz.
saying-
I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
Hey! So you're so busy, huh? Taking care of your phone call, right? Why don't you help him out with his t-shirt? It's fucking freezing out here.
Yeah, you're right. I really enjoy these phone calls.
From whom, huh? From Eric? He's still chasing you? Huh? You know, maybe you wanna leave me so you don't have to deal with what's going on with me anymore, right? You don't have to take care of him anymore, right? That's what you want? So what's up? Why don't you say anything? You know why? Because you know you're wrong.
You're wrong.
Just look what you've done. Him? He doesn't know what that is. Don't you? This is my job. This is my fucking job! This is how I make fucking money so I can feed him! Jesus Christ, you just don't fucking care about anything!
Serena!
Stop. Let me go.
Please, don't go.
Marty! Marty!
Hey, what's up, little boy?
Look, I draw. The sun goes bye-bye.
It's a goodbye, bye, Marty. Goodbye, bye.
Where's my little brother? I'm so sorry. Serena, I'm sorry.
Marty.
This is too much.
Marty. Marty, don't cry, Marty. 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 Don't cry, Marty. Don't cry.
It's gonna be fine. Okay?
It's
Hey,
gonna be fine.
it's gonna be fine.
Hey, Emily, it's Marty. How are you?
I'm good. What's up?
So, do you know where Serena is? I mean, like, is she okay?
Yeah, actually, she just left my place. Well, she's not in a good mood. The big issue is she told me that she doesn't have enough money to pay for her mom's hospital fee.
Okay, did she tell you anything else?
No, that's all. Well, I think she's so stressed.
Yeah, I see. Well, thank you so much, Emily. You have a good night, okay?
Okay, take care, okay? Good night.
Bye. I'm sorry, Bruce. I'm so sorry. You know, I think we have to sell our house. We must pay the caretaker, Jeff, and it seems like we don't have enough money for that, so... Hey, do you like Serena? Hmm? Yeah, I know you like her. She's amazing. You know, I think I should help her. I have to.
Hey, do you want to touch the wave?
Touch the wave. Touch the wave, Marty. Touch the wave. Touch the wave. Touch the wave. Touch the wave, Marty. Look, Marty. It's the sun.